Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and thanks for viewing this video, and please don't forget to support this channel by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. In this video, we will see how you can use the compareTo method in order to get the length of a string. So instead of using the Java string length method, we can actually use the Java string compareTo method to find the length of a string. You may be wondering, how is this possible? Well, all you have to do is to compare a string with an empty string using the compareTo method. And as soon as the method evaluates, it will return a value, and that value is actually going to be equal to the length of the string that you are comparing. So I'm going to walk you through this code in order to explain better what I was saying. So here I have two strings. I have sentence one, and I have instantiated it to hello world here. And I have sentence two, which is my empty string. So in this example, what I want is actually to get the length of sentence two, okay? So I will do a system that out that print line like this. And inside, I will just write a small string here. I will say the length of variable or the length of string variable sentence one is equal to, and put column here. And then next to it, I need to do a concatenation mark. And here what I'm going to type is that I will do a compareTo statement here. So I will need to type sentence one, which is the sentence, the string variable that I want to get the length for. And I will say that compareTo, open my brackets, and inside the brackets, I need to write my empty string variable. So I'll say sentence two, because here that's what I called it, sentence two, which is my empty string variable. So now before I run this, you can see that if based on the videos we did previously, hello world here is having 13 characters, okay? Because actually the length of a string is equal to the number of characters in that particular string, taking into consideration also the white spaces here. So we can just count these characters. For example, if I count the number of characters in the word hello here, we have 5 characters plus 1 character for the white space here, which will be 6 characters, plus 5 characters in the word world, which will be now 11 characters, plus the second white space. Now we have 12 characters, and then the exclamation mark, which is going to be 13 characters. So that means that if I run my program here, I will need to get in my console this sentence, the length of string variable sentence one is equal to 13. So if I run like this, yeah, that's actually what it's given me. So the length of string variable sentence one is equal to 13. Okay, so now here you can actually determine the length of your variable. I could even change this value in here. Instead of writing hello world, I'll write coding, for example. Okay, coding. And we know that in the word coding, we have 6 characters. And if I run this, you will see that I'll get 6 characters here, which is equal to the length of my string here. So this is actually how you can determine the length of your string value without using the length method, but here you using the compareTo a method. So what, as I said at the beginning, what you can do is compare the string for which you want to get the length to an empty string. So that could also be, instead of declaring sentence2 here as a variable, I could just remove it. And in here, when evaluating my method, I would just put double quotations like this. Okay. And if I run, yeah, I will still get 6 here. Okay. So because here is an empty string as well. So guys, that was it concerning this video on how you can determine the length of your string using the compareTo method instead of using the generic length method. So I hope this video was informative, and thanks for viewing. And please don't forget to support this channel by liking this video, by sharing it, and also by commenting. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.